All right, in this screencast, we're going to be talking about matter and motion. Our goal for this is to be able to describe diffusion and identify the special case called osmosis. All right, you know what diffusion is. You smell it whenever someone's baking at home, or when the kitchen's making some cinnamon rolls, we can smell it all morning. All right, so you get home, you notice, the first thing you notice on the door is something smells delicious. How did the smell of the cookies cooling on the rack get from the kitchen to the front door? All right, this is what we mean by diffusion. Diffusion is a random motion of molecules. It tends towards equilibrium, that is, molecules are evenly spaced. You can see in this one, let me reset it. Here we have just, can't see much what's going on until we hit dropping some dye. We see them just randomly moving around. There's no real sense to it. It's based on collisions. But the red started just in this one little area, now it's spreading all the way out. This is the basic idea of diffusion. It's a random motion of molecules until they reaching a point of equilibrium where there's an equal concentration. All right, let me pull back up the right slide. We are. So this is, again, random motion particles from areas of high concentration to low concentration. This is kind of a classic way to visualize it. Here's when the cookies first come out of the stove or out of the oven. There are all the smells in the kitchen and spreads throughout the whole house. The whole house smells like cookies. Gosh, I'm hungry. I missed lunch today. All right. So that is a diffusion. Osmosis is a special case of diffusion because water is one of the key elements or key molecules of life. In this case, we have the same beaker, the semi-permeable membrane, meaning water can move across it, but salt can't. It's trying to get so there's the same amount of space between the water molecules on both sides. So it ends up pushing more water over here because the extra salt, which is a weird thought, but you'll see it in motion a few times. The key takeaway here is that when water diffuses across a semi-permeable membrane, it's called osmosis. Hopefully you saw membrane, you thought of, hey, that's like a cell membrane. That is the crucial thing we'll be looking at next. All right, next step, you're going to head over to ITSI and create an account. You'll search for me, our class 7 Science. Fall semester, our class word is Advent. This will be a visual simulation to try to get our minds around how this works. Our next stop after this is the gummy bear lab. Make sure you read your directions closely and that you don't eat the gummy bears until it's time. All right, good luck.